Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. Who doesn't love aloo paratha? But many of us doesn't like to prepare because it takes a long time or it's a lengthy process. But trust me, within just no time you can just have an amazing smooth soft aloo paratha and enjoy with your family. So why late? Let us see how to prepare this yummy aloo paratha. First of all, here I have taken 3 potatoes of medium size. I've washed it nicely and allowed it to boil for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. On the other hand, I have taken a bowl and added 3 cups of wheat flour and added a little bit of salt to taste, and by mixing the dry ingredients first, later I have added little by little water and prepared a smooth soft dough. Now how to prepare smooth soft dough for chapatis and also how to prepare nice smooth and soft chapatis, I have prepared a video. Please go watch and check it out. You can have that video and try for yourself and enjoy the smooth and soft chapatis. Now once I have prepared the chapati dough, I have put it aside. Now I have peeled the outer skin of the boiled potatoes and I have added little bit salt to taste, fried cumin powder, a little bit of coriander powder, pinch of chili powder and half a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now with the help of hands only I have started mashing it nicely. See, you should not have any lumps of potatoes in the middle. If your potato mixture is little bit hard, you can add little amount of water, that is 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and prepare it into a nice smooth soft potato mixture. Now take a large lemon sized dough and flatten it like this as shown here. Do not over press the chapati because it should be a little bit thicker because we are going to stuff with potato mixture, right? Now add oil or ghee or butter as of your choice and spread it nicely till the ends, and then place the potato mixture in the middle and then spread it till the ends nicely. You can dab it gently with your hand or else you can use a spoon also and then spread it nicely till the ends of the flattened chapati like this. Now once you have stuffed this thing, you have to again fold it nicely to the middle of the dough as shown here. See, from one end, from the left to the middle and the right to the middle, and then in the opposite direction again, top and bottom to the middle only, and then you have to fold it nicely and add a little bit of dough and then prepare the remaining chapati doughs also like this. Now once you have prepared like this, add a little bit of wheat flour, dust it nicely, and then again you need to flatten it. Now preparing this, you need to be very gentle. You need to do it very slowly and smoothly because there are chances that the outer layer may tear up and then the potato mixture may come out. So you need to be very careful with that process, and then once the tawa is heated or the pan is heated, place the chapati on top of it and first fry on both the sides for half a minute or 1 minute on low flame, and then add ghee, that is clarified butter or oil of your choice, and then fry it nicely like this as shown here. Now I have shown how to prepare with butter also. Some people may like to have with ghee or clarified butter and also some with butter. So it's of your choice. With ghee, normally you get a nice aroma and nice flavor also. Normally kids love to have with ghee, so you can try on both the verses and then enjoy this simple basic aloo paratha. There are many variations in this aloo paratha, but trust me, this is the basic one and the best one. You can prepare any time and you can enjoy this with your family. You can serve this, you can directly eat like this. If not, you can serve with sauce for kids or raita, and you can enjoy this with your family. Now go give it a try and let me know how it turned to you in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also please like, share and comment. Thank you.